Here at Select Dental, we pride ourselves on having all the advanced technology that patients need and deserve to have quality dental care. Those things are a cone beam x-ray, we have a CEREC machine, we do intraoral x-rays, which minimizes the exposure that patients will have that when they have their x-rays taken. We have other things to diagnose problems, and all that advanced technology, I think, is something that a patient really will appreciate. The other thing that's great at Select Dental is that we have everything that the patient needs pretty much on site. All our doctors are highly trained. The restorative doctors are trained in endodontics, restorative procedures, Invisalign, bleaching. We have a dentist on staff who's a periodontist who has advanced training. He's a doctor that would treat you for your implant needs, periodontal needs. The other thing that's great in our practice is that we have 2 locations. We have an office in Rocky Hill, Connecticut, and then we have an office in West Hartford. If you work in Rocky Hill but maybe live in West Hartford, you may be able to come to the office. Patients really find that very, very convenient, and that's another thing that we think is great for our practice.